how to create a Shopify account step by step. Now, this is a quick tutorial on how to create Shopify account, how to get started with Shopify. Now, to do this, the process is really simple, quick, and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now, to start up, we will open up Google Chrome, and on Google Chrome, we will search Shopify, and we'll head over to the main website of our Shopify store. So simply open up Shopify, and now here, what you need to do is write your email that you're gonna use to access your store, or simply go and click on Start Free Trial button. Sign in with your Google account, and after that, you will see the main dashboard of your Shopify store. Well, you have created your Shopify store. The next step is setting up your Shopify store. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is select a plan for our store. So just go and click on select a plan right here. And now here you will see that Shopify offers you all these different plans that you can buy. Personally, I will prefer you to buy the basic one, which covers everything for a beginner. So it will be $1 for 3 months, and after that you need to pay $19 per month for your plan. So we'll head back to the main page of our Shopify store. The next step is going to the settings, which is on the bottom left corner. And now here you will see all these different options that you're gonna use to set up your store. So the first thing we're gonna do, which is necessary for our store, is going to domains. You can access it by simply clicking on domains. And now here you can buy an existing domain, or you can buy a new one. Now, I don't personally prefer you to buy domains from Shopify. You can go to platforms like Hostinger or GoDaddy to buy domains. And once we are done with adding up domain, we will head back to the main page of our Shopify store. And here on the left bar, you will see all these different options, products, customers, marketing. Now, what you can do is access all these options after you have set up your online store, because these cover everything related to that. So, what we will do is we will head back and we'll click on this online store button right here. You have themes, pages, preferences that you can look up, and the default theme for your Shopify store is done. You can also go swipe down and you can select one from here according to your own preference. And once we have set up our online store, the next step gonna be adding products by clicking on here. So you can just simply go and click on this add product and start adding your products. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. This will cover everything you need to get started. I'll see you guys in the next video.